In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to autosave Telegram photos and videos to your phone gallery. This offers convenience by allowing offline access to media, making it easier to view and organize files without opening the app. To do this, simply head to your Telegram. Onto your settings page, you want to navigate onto this option of data and storage. Inside this section of Save to Photo, head to Private Chat. Make sure to enable the Photos and Videos option. Now when someone sends you a photo or video in your chat, it will automatically get saved to your phone gallery. Get back and head to Group Chat. Still enable these options on. For any media sent in a group that you're already a member, it will automatically get saved to your phone gallery. It's the same case in the Channels section. This streamlines sharing content with others and enhances security by keeping important photos or documents readily available and stored in a centralized location. Well, that's how easy it is to automatically save sent photos and videos on Telegram to your phone gallery. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.